Synrise Industries Dalian Co., Ltd. is an enterprise specializing in the production of industrial aluminum profiles, aluminum wire rods, and accessories. Our company has 15 years of R&D and production experience. We have 5 high-precision, fully automatic aluminum profile cutting machines, 10 fully automatic CNC lathes, 10 car washing composite CNC machines, 8 CNC machining centers, 2 CNC profile long material machining centers, etc., and 30 units of aluminum profile extrusion machines with various tonnage. There are over 200 types of aluminum profiles and over 2,000 types of accessories available in stock, and can develop various high-precision irregular aluminum profiles and accessories. More than 10,000 types of special shaped aluminum profiles have been developed, providing services such as deep processing of aluminum, precision machining design, disassembly, installation, etc. known as. Our company combines international cutting-edge design concepts with local processing advantages in China, and is committed to expanding into the fields of factory automation and industry to provide high-quality and professional modular conveying and assembly systems. Our product covers 6 major modules: protective fence system, step system, workbench system, equipment framework system, industrial trolley, and modular conveying system. The anchor connectors, hinges, and other accessories have been fully automated in production. We are available in stock and can also customize non-standard accessories. The company is gradually expanding its scale, increasing production capacity, committed to more environmentally friendly, efficient, and high-quality production, and developing more economical product of aluminum profile. Sincerely looking forward to cooperating with you.